Sixie, it's Taylor. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make fluffy slime. You will need something to mix in. I'm using a bowl. Something to mix with. I'm using a spoon. White glue, preferably Elmer's. Shaving cream or foam. Contact lens or saline solution. And finally, paint. So now that you have all of your ingredients, let's get started. First, pour your glue into the mixing bowl. Just remember, as much glue as you put in is as much slime as you're going to get. Once your glue is in the bowl, get your shaving cream, shake it well, then start squirting it out. Don't add too much, because if you add too much, it's not going to be nice. Next, grab your paint and decide which colour you want your slime to be. I'm choosing green. Pour the paint into the mixture. As much paint as you put in is how noticeable the colour is going to be to the slime. Now, grab your mixing tool and mix all of the ingredients together. Like I did, you can add more paint to your mixture, so the colour's a little bit more noticeable. When your slime is fully mixed together, you can start adding the contact lens solution. But be careful, don't add too much or it will overactivate. Once your slime is clumping together like this, it means it's nearly formed. You can add more contact lens solution to make it fully formed together. When your slime looks like this, it's ready to touch with your hands. Just be careful. At the time, it may be a little bit sticky, but play with it and knead it to help it form together and not be sticky anymore. Once your slime looks like this, it's ready to play with. When you play with your slime, you can do a lot of things with it. You can poke it, stretch it, swirl it, squish it, and even make bubbles with it. And pop them. When you're finished playing with your slime, you can store it into a container so it won't dry out and you can play with it over and over again. Just make sure to put the lid on nice and tight. Thank you so much, Sixie, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learnt something new. Bye!